Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today we are back with one more video about our favorite stock, and as you can see it is Himadri Speciality Chemicals Limited, Hscl. So without taking any more time, we'll start with our analysis today with Himadri Speciality Chemicals Limited. Although the stock is not performing as it has performed in past, but that doesn't mean that it will not perform in future. We'll first see what Himadri Speciality Chemicals is, and then we'll proceed with the chart analysis, proceeding with the profits and other details about the stock and any new news which has been any new news or any new activities which has happened in past 2-3 weeks, so that it will be a good analysis for you to make your decisions to invest in the stock or not. So with the name you already know, Himadri Speciality Chemicals Limited is a chemical company. I mean specialty chemicals, and it is only India's fully integrated carbon chemical plant. The new addition to its portfolio includes Li-ion batteries, that is lithium ion batteries, and with its previous takeover over the Australian company Sicona, it will give Himadri Speciality Chemicals Limited wings towards its future prospects and increasing profitability and helping towards producing lithium ion so that it can be later converted into lithium ion batteries, which is set to bring a revolution into EV industry. Currently, there are only three type of stocks which are in highlights, that is EV, solar and AI. And Himadri Specialty Chemicals being into one of its type, into coming into that EV type, that has more prospects for Himadri Specialty to grow in future and become a multi-bagger. Here are some of the products which Himadri Specialty Chemicals is producing or manufacturing for now. So let's move towards the chart analysis of the stock which we have selected today for analysis. We are able to see here that it is 1 day analysis, 1 day trend of the stock. Later we can select at least 1 year so that we will have a better understanding of about the stock. So we'll open Hscl today, Hscl. Himadri Specialty Chemicals. We are able to see here that 1 year trend line of the stock is completely into a bull run which has happened so far until now, and even as compared to comparing the RSI, we are able to see the RSI has been cooled down. Initially it was above 70, it was nearly 3 digits previously, but currently it is in the range of 56-57, which is not even overbought and not even oversold. So this is a moderate RSI which is perfect for buying or making any new positions. In less than a year, we are able to see here that stock has provided us with the returns of nearly 7 to 8 times from its previous years in the same range of the month which it was trading previously in the last year. We are able to see here that in September it was trading nearly 50 or 55 range, and currently it is trading at 233, which is also, it has been into consolidation phase, but the lifetime high of the stock is nearly 289 or 290 to be precise. But after its lifetime high, we are able to see that stock is into its consolidation phase and struggling to move over 247 or 248 range for now, and this is a strong, it is struggling to go about 247. Once it crosses 247 and it stops at least after 248, 249, then we can consider that it can move up again. But that doesn't mean that the stock will not go up. The stock is obviously having a huge potential considering EV and specialty chemicals on which government is focusing for now, and the stock will be a multi-bagger. So previously even we have analyzed for Electra, but although we haven't had any channel by then, so we were not able to post anything, but we were able to analyze it for ourselves, and we had invested in Electra at maybe nearly 359 and 375 levels, and from that we were able to get as high as 1400 in very less span of time. We can expect the same rally here in Hscl Himadri Speciality. From here we may expect nearly 1000 in less than 1 year as well, because according to the recent news which has come up, because according to the recent news which we were following on Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited, we were able to know Vanguard, which is US investment firm. Vanguard has invested and purchased 51.8 lakh shares in chemical company in this month itself. And we can see here that Vanguard Emerging Market Stock Index Fund, a series of VIEIF and Vanguard Total. Although the entities are same, but the issues for which they have purchased into a mutual fund, they are different, and they purchased 51 lakh shares, although the deal was divided into two parts, 25 lakh shares once and 26 lakh share once. Here we can see the bifurcation of its purchase which has happened, and we are able to see here that the average price for the purchase which has happened, Vanguard did the purchase at price of 241.82 per share. So when US investment firm is able to see the potential Himadri Speciality is having, then obviously we will be able to see it, and we should make a proper use of this opportunity that the stock is trading at this point. It can shoot up anytime, it can touch the new highs and highs, because currently the stock is into new highs and new lows phase, because there was no low previously. So the low, whichever will be, it will be new low. So currently it is consolidation phase. Currently it is right now in consolidation phase, and once it starts uptrend, then obviously we should grab this opportunity and enter into this trend. But moving on to the detail purchase and sell of the stocks which has happened in this month, we are able to see in this month BNP Paribas has sold its stake in Himadri, and they have sold all the shares which they were owning, that were nearly 41 lakh shares, 42. So 42 lakh shares they have already sold in Hscl, and we are able to see that Vanguard, a US investment firm, has already purchased 51 lakh shares already. So more, we can consider, even if 41 lakhs were already there which were sold, and 41 lakhs, if we can see here that 51 lakhs are purchased, so even 10 lakh shares have been increased by the investment firm, different investment firm. And when a investment firm from USA is investing, is analyzing, is doing the analysis of the stock and investing such a big amount, they are able to see the potential in the stock which this stock can give in coming at least 1 or 2 years. So now let's move towards the screening of the stock, its profits and market cap and all other details which we are able to see here. So we are here with Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited. Current price which has been closed on 22nd of September is 234, which is minus 1.6% from its previous closing. Currently, the market cap of Himadri is 10,257 crores, and current price, obviously we can see here, is 234, and the previous high or the lifetime high of the stock is 289 in current year, or in 1 year to be precise, and 80 is the low which the stock has been traded into. The stock PE, coming on to the PE, price to earning, that is 35, which is way more less than its other companies or other competitor companies which we are able to see here. The average PE is nearly more than 50 which we are able to see, but currently Himadri is trading at 35 PE, although Tata Chemicals is trading, but we'll make another video for Tata Chemicals which is trading at the lowest PE which we are able to see here, 11.74, and then we are able to see the lowest PE is SRF again, and the third lowest is Himadri Speciality, and even Gujarat Fluoro Chemicals is also there. But currently we are talking about Himadri. So Himadri, I think we can see here it's fourth lowest PE in the industry according to its peers. The next best thing which has happened in the stock is they have reduced their debtor days, which has been previously 70 days and now it has reduced to 44 days, and the even the company's working capital requirements have been reduced from 95 days previously and currently it is 70 days. Even we are able to see here some cons. Stock is trading at 4.64 times. That is not a bad sign because even this industry is growing so fast that the previous book value of the stock was something different, but currently it is something different. So we don't have to worry about the book value. Even the promoter holding has decreased, but I'll go to that because promoter has decreased the stake because even the FIIs and DIIs have increased their stake, and even the public stake has been reduced, although that was not a major impact through public share pattern which has been decreased. The company has low return on equity for last 3 years just because the stock was not in so much profit previously. The company was not in so much profit, and currently the profits have started increasing, so obviously the return on equity will surely increase in maybe 1 or 2 years. And even the dividend payout has been low over the last 3 years because the stock price was also something different, so comparing to that, the dividend payout was low. But keeping in mind the current price, obviously the dividend, once it is declared, the next dividend, obviously we'll be able to see some change in that, and then even this con will be removed from here. So coming on to the quarterly results, we are able to see here the results have been something. The sales, obviously the sales is growing year on year and quarter on quarter, but we are able to see that in June quarter the sales was low as compared to the last 4 quarters, and even the expenses are increasing. Operating profit is also increasing, we are able to see here, and previously the company was in loss, was in debt, we are able to see here. And soon in quarter by quarter phases it has started increasing its profit, and it currently also we were able to see in March 2022 quarter it was in negative, but right now the profits have started increasing, and compared to the previous quarter the profits have been increased like more than 20%. Yeah, we are able to see more than 20%, not exactly more than 20%, but nearly 15% we are able to see here the change which has happened. Yeah, 15%, nearly 15% which has been changed. So this is about the quarterly result. Let's move to the next topic, that is profit. Next uh, point of analysis, I mean, that is profit and loss of the stock. So sales, we are obviously able to see that sales is increasing year on year, and previously which we are able to see here, it is increasing year on year, and currently compared to the previous year we are able to see that trailing 12 months trailing that is 4076 crores the total sales, and even this will increase because this is March to April to March, and once this quarter will end, I mean this year will end for the stock, then obviously we are able to see the stock which performed, which gave sales, which received sales of 4000 crores in 1 year. Now it has completed that in nearly 7 to 8 months only. The net profit previously of the company was in negatives. We are able to see still that it was in negatives, but soon it became in positive, and we are able to see that after 2021, the company has been into the growing phase, and we are able to see the profits have started increasing more than four times. Yeah, 400 times the profit has been increased. Initially, it was in 2022. We are able to see it is for nearly 39-40 crores, and in 1 year, the profit has been 400 to 500 times. We are able to see that it has been increased, and the company is right now also in profit. The compounded profit growth is 3 years for 5%, 10 years 38%. Compounded growth is 12% for 10 years, 5 years is 16%. Stock price CAGR, that means compounded annual growth. So if you would have invested in the stock for 10 years, then this is the rate of interest you would have received on your savings or on your investment. And for 1 year it has given we all know it has been more than this, but here it is showing 126%, but we are able to see that nearly it was trading at 40-50 uh, in last year. At the same time, it was trading at 40-50 rupees, and currently it is nearly 240, 230 in the range of, and the all-time high or the lifetime high of the stock was 284. The return on equity also is 10%. Sorry, for 10 years it is 8%, for 5 years it is 10%. Let's go to the balance sheet to understand the liabilities and assets of the company. So reserves of the stocks are really good. That is 2000 crores, borrowing at 800 crores, liabilities at 659 crores. So fixed assets as of now are increasing year on year. We are able to see that is a good sign, and currently it is at 1500 crores, and current work in progress, that is nearly 94 crores also. That is work in progress, investments and other assets also which are there. And we are able to see assets net holding is increasing year on year, and currently we are able to see in last couple of years it has been increased drastically. The one good thing about Himadri Speciality is right now the debtor days have been reduced drastically compared to the other stocks, other competitive stocks which are there, which are more than at least 80 days. They are having the debtor days more than 80 days right now, but Himadri Speciality has managed debtor days to 44, reduce it to 44. Initially, you can see here it has increased so much that it was 100 days debtor days, and right now it is less than half, that is 44 debtor days, which will help it to get the money on time, which will help even to increase its profits, and they can invest that money at somewhere else and they can grow it again. So we are able to see here even the cash conversion cycle is on decreasing phase, which is a good sign here, which has been decreased to 66 days, which is again a good sign. Working capital days has been in the range of 60-70, but previously 2 years back it has increased a lot, but currently it is what it was in 21. Right now it is at 50%, nearly less than 50% to be precise. Now the favorite part of everyone, that is shareholding pattern of the stock has increased, and it is due to the FIIs, although it is not showing up here because whenever it is less than 1%, so it will not show up the names, but 1% for each entity. But currently we are able to see that uh, Vanguard has increased or purchased stake in Himadri, and BNP Paribas has sold their stake. So the conversion may be shown in the next quarter, because this is not of current quarter, this was previous quarter, which we are able to see here. And we are able to see here the FIIs has increased their stake here which is a good sign. And even the DIIs has increased their stake. We are able to see a DII who has been here, that is may not be the same one because we are not able to see here. It may be this one, for this one, but DIS has also increased the stake previously. Before a couple of years, we are able to see um, there is no sign of DIS, but DIS have started increasing their stake here in last couple of years. Even the public holding is getting decreased. Previously in 2022 it was 53%, 52%, 51. For last couple of quarters it is same. So this is again a good sign. Here we are able to receive, because the main news here is Vanguard, a US security firm, investment firm, has increased or has purchased a stake in Himadri Speciality Chemicals. That is a good sign. Although this is my analysis, and you should surely do your own analysis before investing your hard-earned money. And we are able to see once it breaks 247 or 248 levels, then it can surely go up, and we can again see a bull run here in the stock. And obviously everything depends on the results, quarter on quarter results, how it performs. So you can watch, you can add this company to your watch list, and according to the signals which you receive, you can start purchasing or selling your stake in the company according to your own analysis. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you liked my work, you liked my analysis. If you have liked it, you can show your love by liking and subscribing. By liking this video and subscribing to my channel, it will help me to make such more videos for you, which will help you to make more decisions, which will help you to make your own decisions and help you in your analysis, so that you can get some returns in stock markets. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.